Congratulations, my acolytes of success, because you are watching the Success Channel. My name is Paul Vasquez, JD. I think that's how you'll be able to find me most easily on YouTube. And I am the owner of Pro Business Solutions, Tax Lab, and co-owner in the Singularity Network. But that's not why I want to talk to you guys today. I wanted to go over briefly in this video and a few others to come the different order types that there are on Robinhood. So if you're new to trading, if you're new to Robinhood, and even if you've been on it a little while, you may not be aware that there are different ways of telling Robinhood that you want to purchase a stock, different ways of buying a stock. These on the Robinhood app, they are called order types. And to find out more about order types, you have to go into, or you can go into the Robinhood app, and at the very end, there's a little man there at the bottom, and you go to the little man, and then over here, you go click on Help. And I'm going to go ahead and record this on my screen so you guys can follow along here to the side. So it says Help Center. Right, so this is where I go to find out more information about Robinhood app when I don't have someone to tell me on YouTube. And then I type in right here, search, and I'll do order. Order, oh, there's a T, order, my fat fingers, order types, and it brings it up right there, common question. And we're going to look at the stock order types. We're not going to get into options or cryptocurrencies in this video. So we have right here different order types. This is order type stocks. If you're trading stocks, we support the following order types: market orders, limit orders, stop orders, stop limit orders, and trailing stop orders. You can enter certain orders as good for the day, GFD, good for the day, or good till canceled, GTC, good till canceled. We don't currently support short selling, bracket orders, market on close orders, or market on open orders. So those are the 5 order types that you can do on Robinhood. Once again, if you like this video, if you like these, especially these informational videos where I go through and share different things on about Robinhood and other apps that you might be using, go ahead and give a little tickle to that like button there. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, to subscribe, and I wish you guys all the success.